Ever wondered what the universe's playlist sounds like? Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're nature's most epic DJs, dropping beats that shake entire galaxies. Get ready for the wildest music festival in space. Here's where things get wild. Black holes are basically the universe's subwoofers. When they feed on gas and stars, they don't just silently munch away. They create massive pressure waves that ripple through space like sound waves through air. These waves are 57 octaves below middle C. That's way deeper than anything we can hear. Imagine cranking your car's bass to maximum, but instead of annoying your neighbors, you're shaking entire galaxy clusters. These cosmic sound waves are so powerful they can travel hundreds of thousands of light years. And the really cool part? Scientists can convert these space ripples into actual sound we can hear. Let me introduce you to Perseus, the universe's most dedicated musician. This supermassive black hole sits at the heart of the Perseus galaxy cluster, and it's been stuck on repeat longer than Earth has had life. For 2.5 billion years, it's been playing the same B-flat note. Talk about a one-hit wonder. This cosmic concert happens because Perseus keeps blasting out massive bubbles of hot gas into space. Each bubble creates ripples that spread through the galaxy cluster like sound waves in a giant cosmic drum. If we could hear it, it'd be the deepest bass note ever, about 57 octaves below middle C. That's like having a speaker so massive it could fit 1 million Earths inside. Remember that famous movie tagline, "In space, no one can hear you scream"? Well, they got it partly right, but space isn't completely silent. While sound waves can't travel through perfect vacuum, space is full of gas, dust, and plasma that can carry sound. Think of it like swimming underwater. Sound travels differently, but it definitely moves. The trick is, space sound works through these cosmic clouds and plasma, creating ultra-low frequency waves. It's like having a massive ocean of thin gas where vibrations can ripple across entire galaxies. These aren't your everyday sound waves. They're super-stretched versions that can span thousands of light years. Scientists use special instruments to detect these cosmic whispers and turn them into sounds we can actually hear. Let's peek behind the cosmic curtain and see how scientists turn these space vibes into actual sounds. It's like having the universe's biggest recording studio. Scientists use special telescopes that catch X-rays and radio waves from space. Think of them as cosmic microphones. These signals show us how gas moves around black holes, creating those massive pressure waves. Then comes the cool part. They use a process called sonification to transform this data into sound waves we can hear. They take those super low frequencies and boost them up by about 57 octaves, basically giving the universe's deepest bassline a major pitch shift. The result? We get to hear black holes' greatest hits. Here's a fun fact about black holes. The bigger they are, the deeper their sound goes. It's like comparing a tiny portable speaker to a massive concert system. When a black hole grows to supermassive size, it creates these enormous bubbles of hot gas that act like giant cosmic speakers. The really massive ones, weighing millions or billions of times more than our sun, make waves so deep they're practically off the musical scale. Think about it. A black hole 1 billion times heavier than our sun makes waves that move super slowly, creating these incredibly deep, powerful notes. It's like having a subwoofer the size of our entire solar system. Ready for the universe's top charts? Let's check out some of the hottest tracks from space. My favorite is the Chandra Deep Field, where thousands of black holes create this incredible cosmic symphony. Then there's M87's greatest hit. When we took its first photo in 2019, scientists turned its data into this haunting melody that sounds like a sci-fi movie soundtrack. But the real showstopper comes from 2 black holes that crashed into each other 1.3 billion years ago. Their collision created a chirp that briefly made them the most powerful source of music in the entire universe. These space songs aren't just cool. They're helping us understand how galaxies grow and evolve. When black holes crash into each other, they create the universe's most intense dance party. These cosmic collisions send out gravitational waves that make space itself wobble like a giant speaker cone. The closer these black holes get, the faster they spin, creating a wild spiral dance that ends in an explosive finale. It's like two massive DJs spinning their turntables faster and faster until, bam, they merge into one super DJ, sending out ripples of bass that shake the fabric of space-time itself. These waves are so powerful, they briefly pump out more energy than all the stars in the visible universe combined. Think of galaxies as the universe's biggest nightclubs, where black holes are the DJs controlling the dance floor. These cosmic beats actually shape how entire galaxies grow. When a black hole blasts out those super deep sound waves, they push around huge clouds of gas like a bouncer managing the crowd. Hot gas gets pushed outward, creating these amazing bubble patterns that look like cosmic lava lamps. This cosmic sound system keeps gas from cooling down too quickly and forming too many stars at once. It's basically crowd control on a galactic scale. Without these black hole beats keeping things in check, galaxies would grow way too fast and burn out like a party that got totally out of hand. Let's get geeky with the coolest speakers in the universe. Black holes are basically nature's perfect sound system, and here's why. Their intense gravity creates an amazing acoustic chamber. When hot gas spirals into a black hole, it doesn't just vanish, it screams. The gas heats up to millions of degrees, creating pressure waves that bounce and echo through space. The black hole's massive gravitational pull acts like a natural amplifier, making these waves stronger and stronger. It's like having a speaker that uses gravity instead of electricity. The really mind-blowing part? These space sounds can travel for thousands of light years without losing much power. Try getting your home speakers to do that. Get ready, because space music is about to get even cooler. Scientists are working on next-gen telescopes that'll let us eavesdrop on black holes like never before. The James Webb Space Telescope is already picking up cosmic beats we couldn't hear before. And that's just the opening act. Soon we'll have detectors so sensitive they can catch the tiniest space whispers. Imagine hearing a black hole's heartbeat from billions of light years away. These cosmic tunes aren't just for show either. By studying these space songs, we can crack the code of how galaxies grow, predict cosmic collisions, and maybe even discover new types of black holes we never knew existed. The universe's playlist is about to get a serious upgrade. Thanks for joining our cosmic concert tour. If you enjoyed this space symphony, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing universe secrets. Share with your friends. They deserve to know space isn't silent after all.